And Jamie Dimon, we'll get a quote from him in a moment. These are some of the different people. Everybody's jumping on board. And you might say, oh, it's just the little guys. It's just, a couple of people who are fringe. So let's take a look at that. Here's our good Fidelity's bet on Bitcoin here on CNBC. Here we see New York Stock Exchange. They're starting something called BACT, which is going to be a electronic currency exchange. Basically, all the different currencies, they're going to be doing that. And that's the New York Stock Exchange. That's the mainstream of the mainstream of the mainstream. Bank of America, they've been trying to file patents for crypto custody and blockchain custody to be able to hold your currencies for you. NASDAQ, of course, they're getting in on the game as well, looking at having their own trading for cryptocurrencies. University endowments, this is very interesting. So in the US, some of the biggest money is in the endowments for private universities and like Harvard and that kind of thing, and they're beginning to also invest in these different electronic currencies as well. So they're starting to put their money into these. And you can see Goldman Sachs here, of course. They left out of the game. And there's a ton of other ones. You just mentioned a few in the first talk here. There's a lot of people. So a lot of mainstream people. When you saw a lot of the spikes, they really didn't like that because it meant, this is not a stable investment, right? Now, if you've looked, it's been pretty sideways for like the last 4 or 5 months. And people like that. It was like, oh, look, it's very steady, right? It's very steady. That means there's much more chance now we can start to invest in this because it's becoming stable. Nobody wants to invest in things up and down, up and down. Well, not unless you're a trader and you can make a lot of money on it, right?